Hello guys! So week 3 update for our plants. Let's see if kung ano na yung mga tumubo and ano yung mga hindi naging successful. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, for our cucumber, we have 2 that successfully germinated. Pepper, 0. So we'll try and plant like different pepper seeds there. For the salad tomato, actually 4. And I think there's another one here na palabas na rin siya. So I think 5 for the salad tomatoes. And then cherry tomatoes, we have a lot. Like, I think 8 for the cherry tomatoes. So yan. And then, as I mentioned, yung pepper fail. Actually, kinuha ko lang yung mga pepper seeds doon sa totoong pepper, bell pepper, but I think hindi siya effective. I don't know why, or matagalan talaga. Pero ang plan ko is to remove the, tatanggalin ko na yung takip niya kasi itong cucumber lalo malaki na. So, and medyo mainit naman. Well, hopefully, it's warm enough for them. So, ayun, napansin ko na meron pala akong mga extra seeds from last year. So, pwede nating itanim yung mga ibang seeds na nandito. And I think I'll just choose the chilies again, like serrano chili, and then this one, chili cayenne. Ayan. So, yun yung ipalit natin doon sa bell pepper na ayaw tumubo. Okay guys, so see you again for the update for the next 2 weeks probably or kapag ililipat na natin siya dun sa maliliit na pots. Okay, thank you for watching.